event for today, actually, it was really nice naman. Actually, the coaches were very accommodating. So, I do athletes, I do Spartan races. That's why I'm very interested in this. So, at least, yung free assessment, like, even sa posture and even, like, dun sa BMI ko, at least I know what's my progress na free so I can assess. And at the same time, even actually yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko is yung massage. Also because timely kasi kaka-race ko lang din no last weekend. So, nirequest ko lang din very specifically like which parts yung very sore from the race. It really helped din while I do the recovery. So, it's overall good naman siya.